Fisher-Price issued a recall for its Cradle and Swing Snooker Puppy model number S7281 on March 9, 2007. The recall number is 7036. The reason for this recall is that the footrests on the swing can unexpectedly detach, posing a fall hazard to infants. Approximately 150,000 units in the United States and 25,000 units in Canada are affected by this recall. The recalled swing has a fabric seat with a removable headrest and a detachable toy bar. The seat features a mesh back and a mesh footrest that snaps into place. The swing's color scheme is blue and gray, with a puppy face displayed on the front. The model number S7281 is printed on the bottom of the swing. If you own this swing, it is crucial to immediately stop using it. Contact Fisher-Price to request a free repair kit. Fisher-Price has received 2 reports of the footrest detaching from the swing. These incidents resulted in minor injuries, including bumps and bruises, to the infants using the swing. The recalled swings were sold at Toys R Us and other stores nationwide from August 2006 through January 2007. The retail price was approximately $100. Fisher-Price, Incorporated, located in East Aurora, New York, is the importer. The swings were manufactured in China. To obtain a repair kit or for more information, consumers should contact Fisher-Price toll-free at 800-432-5437 between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. Alternatively, you can visit the firm's website at www.service.mattel.com. The primary hazard associated with the recalled swing is the potential for infants to fall if the footrest detaches. This can lead to minor injuries such as bumps, bruises, or more serious injuries depending on the circumstances of the fall. The recall is a proactive measure taken by Fisher-Price to ensure the safety of infants using their product. It is important to note that this recall only affects the Fisher-Price Cradle and Swing Snooker Puppy model S7281. Other Fisher-Price swings are not included in this recall. The repair kit provided by Fisher-Price is designed to reinforce the footrest attachment, preventing it from detaching unexpectedly. Consumers are urged to follow the instructions included in the repair kit carefully to ensure proper installation. If you are unsure about how to install the repair kit, contact Fisher-Price for assistance. Regular inspection of baby swings and other infant products is recommended to identify any potential hazards or defects. This includes checking for loose parts, damaged components, and ensuring that all safety features are functioning properly. By taking these precautions, parents and caregivers can help to prevent accidents and injuries. In addition to contacting Fisher-Price, consumers can also report any incidents or injuries related to the recalled swing to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, also known as CPSC. The CPSC is a federal agency responsible for protecting the public from unreasonable risks of injury or death associated with consumer products. Reporting incidents to the CPSC helps the agency to identify potential safety hazards and take appropriate action to protect consumers. The Fisher-Price Cradle and Swing Snooker Puppy model S7281 was designed to provide a soothing and comfortable environment for infants. The swing features multiple swing speeds, musical sounds, and a detachable toy bar to entertain and engage infants. However, the footrest attachment issue posed a safety risk that necessitated the recall. Fisher-Price is committed to providing safe and reliable products for infants and children. The company has a long history of developing and manufacturing high-quality baby gear, toys, and other products. Fisher-Price takes product safety very seriously and has implemented rigorous testing and quality control procedures to ensure that its products meet or exceed all applicable safety standards. The recall of the Cradle and Swing Snooker Puppy model S7281 demonstrates Fisher-Price's commitment to addressing potential safety concerns and taking corrective action when necessary. Parents and caregivers should always follow the manufacturer's instructions when using any infant product. This includes adhering to weight limits, age recommendations, and other safety guidelines. Proper use and maintenance of infant products can help to prevent accidents and injuries. The Fisher-Price recall highlights the importance of product safety and the role of manufacturers in ensuring the safety of their products. It also underscores the importance of consumer awareness and the need for parents and caregivers to be vigilant in identifying potential hazards. By working together, manufacturers, consumers, and regulatory agencies can help to create a safer environment for infants and children. The Consumer Product Safety Commission plays a vital role in protecting consumers from unsafe products. The agency investigates reports of product-related injuries and deaths, conducts product testing, and issues recalls when necessary. The CPSC also works with manufacturers to develop and improve safety standards for consumer products. Consumers can access information about product recalls and safety alerts on the CPSC's website. The website also provides resources for parents and caregivers on how to choose safe products for infants and children. When purchasing baby gear, it is essential to consider safety features such as restraint systems, stability, and the presence of any potential hazards. Look for products that have been certified by independent testing organizations such as the Juvenile Products Manufacturers Association, also known as JPMA. JPMA certification indicates that the product has been tested and meets or exceeds established safety standards. Regular maintenance of baby gear is also crucial for ensuring its continued safety. This includes cleaning the product regularly, checking for loose parts or damage, and replacing any worn or broken components. By taking these steps, parents and caregivers can help to extend the life of their baby gear and keep it in safe working condition. The Fisher-Price Cradle and Swing Snooker Puppy Model S7281 recall serves as a reminder of the importance of product safety and the need for vigilance in protecting infants and children from potential hazards. By staying informed about product recalls and following safety guidelines, parents and caregivers can help to create a safer environment for their children. If you have any questions or concerns about the recalled swing, contact Fisher-Price for assistance. They can provide you with additional information and guidance on how to obtain a free repair kit. Your child's safety is the top priority, and taking the necessary steps to address this recall is essential.